Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 273 and 275 Rosedale Street in Rochester.
This is a spectacular, totally updated two-family home in the highly desirable Upper Monroe neighborhood.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This exceptional investment opportunity features two completely separate side-by-side units, from the basement to the walk-up attic. These identical layouts feature beautiful hardwood floors, custom wood trim and moldings, bay windows, wood-burning fireplaces, and stunning updated kitchens. Each with 3 spacious bedrooms, a full bathroom, a powder room, and laundry.
This rear and private backyard is great for relaxing, with a patio, covered porch, and a 2-car detached garage with additional parking. The highly desirable Upper Monroe neighborhood is within walking distance to Cobbs Hill Park, Park Avenue, and the city of Rochester.
Could you imagine living or investing here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 273 and 275 Rosedale Street in Rochester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!